Hey guys, this is Wifey. Welcome to Yardie's Kitchen, and for today's video I'm going to be making some Escovitch chicken. Yes, you heard me right, Escovitch chicken. I have about 2 pounds of chicken here, and I'm going to be just adding some powdered seasoning. First seasoning I'm adding is some Laurie's seasoned salt, and this is about a half of a teaspoon that I'm adding to the chicken. And then I'm gonna go in and add about the same amount of garlic powder to the chicken, also half of a teaspoon. Black pepper, you know, you have to add a little sprinkle of black pepper to any meat just to give it that oomph. So I'm adding a little sprinkle of black pepper also. And then I'm gonna go right ahead and add some paprika. And this is literally less than maybe a quarter teaspoon of the paprika is enough for this purpose. And then to give it a kick, I'm adding a little bit of cayenne pepper. Yes, have to have that, you know, little pepper flavor to make your chicken taste good. All right, so I'm adding a little bit of oil, and this will just help with the marinating process and just help the seasonings to get absorbed into the chicken. And I'm using a spoon just to try to incorporate all the seasonings onto the meat. And yeah, I decided to add some of my Indian spice blend that I have in the cupboard. And this is just literally to add just a little bit of a flavor to the chicken. I did not add a lot at all, literally just a sprinkle. Yeah. And if you know Indian flavors, they are very intense, so a little goes a long way. So I just covered the chicken, put it in the refrigerator, and allowed it to sit for 2 days actually, and now it is nice and flavorful. And the pot is now already heated. I'm now adding some nice seasonings, some more garlic, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper to the oil, just to, you know, give that oil a nice fragrance and a nice flavor, so that when the chicken is introduced into the oil, girl, it will be so delicious. Anyway, so now we're putting the chicken in, and I'm doing everything possible to make sure that all the pieces fit into the pan, you know, in one go. I'm not about that 2-batch life right now. So yeah, I'm trying to fit all of them into the pot. And I'm careful to keep the fire very low. I did not want for it to be too high and then for the chicken to get too dark and too dry. So I want them to cook nice and succulent. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so now pretty much after a couple of minutes, and because we're cooking chicken breast, it doesn't take long to cook at all. So it's not a lot of bones that need to be soaked. So because of that, it's pretty easy to cook. So after a couple of minutes, I've started the flipping process, and yeah. Alright, so the color is coming on nicely. The nice golden brown color that I'm looking for is what I'm starting to see. So I'm happy about that. Happy, happy, happy. Alright, so after it's flipped, I'm just gonna allow it to cook for maybe another 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes max, just to ensure that, you know, it properly soaked through. But yeah, it does not take long to cook at all. That's what I love about this particular dish. Alright, so we're approaching the time now when we're going to start taking them from the pan, you know, plating them so that we can move on to our next step. So yeah, we're just taking them out and then, you know, just setting it on a plate, and then afterwards we're going to show you guys how we actually make the escovitch sauce. All right, so yeah, there you have it, you guys. And just for your viewing pleasure, look at how nice and golden brown and delicious these chicken pieces look. Yeah, delicious. All right, so on to the next step. I'm just going ahead and we're cutting up the vegetables necessary for the escovitch sauce, and I'm cutting up a half of an onion, and we're just cutting it in slices. You don't have to cut it in any particular way. However, just for presentation's sake, we're trying to cut it in. That is how easy you make your escovitch chicken, you guys. And this is delicious. I can tell you guys, this was mouth-watering, very tasty, very flavorful, nice, crispy. We pretty much had it like finger food. So you can have this as snack. You can have it with a meal, with a serving of rice, or however you want to have it, but it's just delicious. So yeah, But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking and staying with Yardie Belly TV. Thank you guys for your support. Remember to like, rate, subscribe, and to share the video, and to tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV. And remember to stick and stay with us. Hit that notification bell so that you can know when we post. And walk good. Blessings.